Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Amor, can you give him one of those? Please? Just one of them, I think will make him happy. One of those things. Oh, the vitamin is not such a good idea.
Oh, vitamin.
Yeah, we'll do that. We'll do that. That's the vitamin. Wait, no, Amor, don't. No. He's gonna fall down. We're gonna do that for lunch. With lunch. Amor, we have to share. Come on. That's whose toy is that anyway? Whose toy is that? Whose toy is it? Amor, it's all on film. But he likes to take it from the thing. There you go. Oh, Maru, come on.
I want vitamin now.
Come, give me that.
I want vitamin right now.
That's not how you get anything. How would you ask?
Can I have some vitamin?
Can you ask with a smile and a nice touch?
Can I have some vitamin?
Can you say it with a real smile?
Please, can I have some vitamin?
I don't believe you. Say it again nicely.
Please can I have some vitamin? Is that good?
Pretty good. Can you do even better?
Please can I